Okay, here's a live version we'll run through of NRBQ's Ridin In My Car. Then we'll go through the chords and the solo. Key of G.
Ladies and gentlemen, NRBQ.
Okay, so what we have there, that intro is going to be a G shape, kind of like the D shape, but you slide it up here where you're playing the 7th, 8th, and 7th fret. And they're going from the bottom, it's, maybe I'll put it up here. Do that twice. And then it's going to be a G. Remember last summer when we had the chance to an A minor 7th. Find each other, try making romance. I just go from the A string at the 7th over to the D string at the 7th. Then you do it again. And every time I think about what might have been, I jump in my car and start riding again. Then you do this little kind of like an F major 7th. But and you're going to be picking up that pinky, alternating that, you know. And I know, baby, it's so hard. Back to a G, to a augmented. Okay, and all you're doing there, you're playing the G chord, and then you're, the G chord here is basically from the D string. It's 9, 7, 8, 7, and then you're kind of moving your fingers around just to get that G string up there on the 8th fret. So you're going from a G to, okay, where you're from the pinky on the D string at the 9th, and then the 8th, 7th. Okay, that's that augmented, I still think about you every time I'm riding in A minor to a D. My car. Next verse. We went to the place where everybody hangs out to see what everybody was talking about. And over in the corner, all alone with you, was a boy from last summer singing songs to you. But he can't sing like I can sing. Oh, it's so hard. Augment. And I still think about you every time I'm riding in my car. Riding in my car. Little bridge, A minor. I'm home alone, C minor. Think of other things to a G. You. When I'm A minor to a C minor, rolling motion, A D. About only you. It's been a year and a day since I talked to you. I don't know how I made it, I sure have been blue. But every time I think about what might have been, I jump in my car and start riding again. I can't find no true love, baby, it's so hard. To an augmented, I still think about you when I'm riding in my car. A minor to a D, and now we do the riff. It's so from the G string, it's 7, 9. B string, it's 7, 8. So it's 7, 9. B string, it's 7, 8, 10. And then it's the E string at the 7th, and then you hammer in the 8th. Do that bend on the B string the second time. And you do it again. You could bend that. True love, baby, it's so hard. To the augment, I still think about you every time I'm riding in my car. Riding in my car, I still think about you every time I'm riding in my car. Hold that G. Riding in my car. Opening riff. G. C, G. All right. So coming out of that. I can't find no true love, oh baby, it's so hard. Still think about you every time I'm riding my car. Still think about you every time I'm riding my car, riding in my car. Riding in my car. Oh, oh. I still think about you when I'm riding in my car. There we go. Okay, so it's C, G up here, then C, G open chords. Good luck. Great song.